Everyone, today we'll learn about 24PM2S quick demo. Here we are learning about some of the extra features which are given in the 24PM2S microwave. The display, what we can see is the number which is mentioned is from 1 to 9. Here in the bracket they have mentioned 1 to 6 is the quick reheat. For example, if I press the directly microwave will take a quick reheat, and up to 6 I can take the quick reheat. If I press 7 will not go for a quick reheat, or 8 or 9. For this I have to press the option time cook, and then I have to press 7. Now it is going for 7 minutes of cooking time. The same way I can do it for 8 minutes and also 9 or up to 99 I can take. And then here they have given the clock bar timer. I can set the present time. So now if I press clock bar timer for 3 seconds, the display will show hour, 12 and 24 hour. So if I want 12 hour of timing, now the present time is 9:48. So then I can set 9 and then 48. Again, if I have to press the clock bar timer only, now the present time has been set. This is about the clock timing. And then here there is an option called delay start. The moment if I press the delay start will not work. So for that I have to first set the cooking time by pressing time cook. I'll take 5 minutes of cooking time, and then I have to press the delay start. Now it is showing the present time. How much delay the customer wants, that the customer can take. Either it may be a 10 minutes, 30 minutes or 1 hour, whatever the time the customer can take. Now it is 9:48. So if I want after 2 minutes, I have to press 9:50. So if I want after 10 minutes, then I have to press 9:58. This way the delay start will work. And here there is a food defrost they have given. So here here I have to set the gram. If I press 100 gram, then start 2 minute 33 second of defrost will start. The same way up to 1800 gram the food defrost I can take. And also they have given here auto cook menu. So the auto cook menu which is mentioned in the above microwave. So the customer, if they scan this through Google scanner, directly this will go for IFB, my IFB app. There they have given all the auto cook menu options. Thank you.